तुम्ही पळयतात युनिक गोवा. सबस्क्राईब, शेअर, लाईक युनिक गोवा, युअर चॅनल.
Sulakshana Kumble and Vijay Pavaskar. All the students who are here, parents, teachers, staff of Art and Culture and Central Library, judges for this allocation competition. At the outset, I would like to wish all of you, all students more particularly and children who are here, a happy Children's Day. And also to the adults, let us try to treasure that small child in all of us. We are not too old to celebrate Children's Day, is what I believe. I would like to thank the organizer for having me here and being a part of this program, which I can actually relate to. And why do I say I can relate to is my childhood was more, actually the company which I had were the books. Now before I proceed, I would like to ask the students over here, because I saw many yawning faces, as my colleague said, some disturbance everywhere because children are restless. How many of you like the formal functions where there are talks, questions and all those kind of things? Childhood is the age where you can be very frank. So I would be happy if I see no hands raised. You like the formal functions? Very good. This question is only for students. You are a student? Good. Okay. Next question is, I saw a big group of one uniform and I just inquired which school is that. I was told this is Navy school. Are you comfortable with Konkani? All of us? All of you? No, right? So that was the reason that there was a disturbance in that group where my colleague started, when actually I had requested him why everything in English and why are we not using Konkani in all our formal functions. More particularly because I was part of Goa Konkani Academy a few months ago. So, but when he started talking in Konkani, I saw that restlessness there. So, which shows that they were not able to correlate to what was being discussed over here. So, to continue with what I was saying, my childhood and everyone of my age here will agree that we had no such too much of social things and this partner of us during our childhood. So we had a lot of spare time. We were busy in outdoor sports, outdoor activities, and the books were the best friends of us. Though we did not have so much of libraries which are now available in all the talukas, all the panchayat also, I believe. So we did not have that opportunity, but books were still our friends. And if you ask me, my choice was more of fiction stories, then mythology, Shivaji Maharaj, Peshwai kind of books. And my parents used to tell me, read what suits your age. And I was no, I like those books only. So that was my childhood. And how it has helped me now is definitely books increases your vocabulary, your communication skills. They introduce you to a new world or a writer's perspective. So it has given me so much exposure. Another thing that it has helped me is now I hardly get time to read those kind of books because now we are reading all rules, regulations, provisions and all sort of those things. But when I travel and I'm alone for hours, if you're traveling by air, by train, by car, book is the best partner. You never feel that, okay, you are bored or your travel time is a waste of time, because I feel that it's the best time because I get to treasure my old habits. Now, why reading is considered to be a skill? You must have heard that reading is a skill, right? Okay. So why it is considered to be a skill and not just a habit? Can anyone answer me? You people have come for elocution competition, right? So must have prepared something. Kon sangta? As my colleague has told you all that I belong to school education, so don't expect that bhashan from me here. Kon sangta? Kidyak ami skill म्हणतात? Some hand was raised there. Ask your Google bhaiya. He will answer why it is considered as a skill. Okay, and we will proceed. Now I was talking about my generation. Let us come to the students' generation, this younger generation. Now Google is there, mobile is there, TV is running throughout the day, 24/7. We had only few hours. Rest of the time I used to call it chimul. I don't know what you all were calling it. But rest of the time it was blank. It was to run for some few hours, 2 to 3 hours was the TV time for us. Now it runs so many channels, 24/7. You have indoor games. But why it is important now also? Why these reading habits are important now also? One reason is all those things are there. It exposes you to new world, it improves your vocabulary, all those things are there. But now in this era of a nuclear family, where you have lesser number of siblings, who is your partner again? Other books. Start reading books and plan for next week, the next month. Keep some targets. I am going to complete this book. Choose any books of your interest, maybe fiction, non-fiction, but it will help you in one way or the other. So even this generation should start reading books. I know many of you must be reading. I should congratulate actually the organizers for having this topic. It is called as Reading is Magic, and having the education competition on this topic. But again, one more question for all the students. Have you come here only for education, or you are the best? I mean, you usually read in your regular lifetime. How many of you read the books? Frank opinion, frank answer. What kind of books do you read? Navy school students? Ah, great. And